Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here's DDL. So welcome. Today I will be I'm talking about crypto wallet. This wallet is known as Exodus. So if you Google it on Exodus, so I already have it open, but basically if you Google it, Exodus wallet, it will come up. So yeah, normally it comes first. It is a wallet that I do recommend, and it's free to use. So basically, it is a cross-platform in terms of OS compatibility. So if you can see there, it have Windows version, Mac version, Linux version, for Debian and Ubuntu and all the Linux Debian distributions. And this one is for all the Linux distros which are not part of either Ubuntu or Debian type of distros. So you just download it. I already did a Linux bit. So I will install now, and I believe most of you guys, I presume most of you guys know how to install on your OS, be it Windows or Mac or Linux. So I was just going to install on Linux, going to my terminal. I believe it is on a desktop. Sorry, not on the desktop, but is on the download. Yeah, it is on download. Now do sudo gdb, which is my package manager, is one of my package manager, and it helps me to install applications. Oh, I don't have gdb. Really? I'll quickly install, even though it doesn't have to do with this tutorial. Is always good to have gdb because it helps a lot getting stuff done. Okay, let me clear. Now I will do another run. Let's see if it does. Yeah, it does the job. It goes and get all the dependencies I need. It looks and then it does all that stuff. It creates a directory, does the unpacking and blah blah blah, all that stuff, and I think is done. I just need to exit. So I go here on to show all my applications, and there you go, my Exodus. Just loading up. It takes a bit of time. The first time I'm loading the Exodus because it's not a small app. Basically, the first setup, it will ask me to create a password, to do a backup of the. I'll add it to my favorites. So I'll do everything so you guys will see step by step how to use it. But the first experience and the first contact, you basically have a bunch of or a list of the main cryptos out there on the market, the most popular by market cap, and the most popular in terms of market capital. And then you can organize through price, 24-hour changing and going up or down. You can put it to organize to via volume or through trendings and stuff. So let's go and start exploring it. Let me put it on full screen. So the first thing first, what you should do and what I normally do is to do the settings. Of course, that when after I complete this demo, I will completely wipe out and delete this Exodus, create a brand new one. So these are the several coins that you have available. I don't need to enable all of them, but if you want, you just you say show all, show enabled, yeah, and then show all. You can probably, yeah, you can like filter by the enabled, and you can check which one you want to enable to see in your wallet if you want to see it, and then you have all the way. Besides the normal crypto or tokens, you also have projects like ICOs coming in just underneath. Yeah, all of these projects coming in that are also very popular already. One of the, for instance, Compound Die is very popular. There's quite a lot of money going into Dent as well. Exodus wallet is also Exodus token. Sorry, man. Dragon, Gemini Dollar, Genesis, Gnosis, Sparks Gold, Raiden, Raven, Storm, Sentiment. Yeah, quite few I can recognize here that are already hitting the mainstream. But anyway, so the first thing you need to do when you get this app on your computer is go, yeah, do your backup, I think. Create your password. I don't mind you guys seeing the password because, as I said, I will delete this wallet after I'm done with this tutorial. So I always use Open SSL to create my passwords. So what I do is I do Open SSL random for created a random password based on 64 encryption, and I do between 12 to 16 characters, and it creates a password. And I will put all the files just for the sake of all right, get up, sorry. I will copy the password here, just some plain test, don't care. I'll delete this out. As I said, it's not my real wallet. So I will copy the password. Let me save. Yeah, on desktop. Okay, it's saved. Let me copy. I paste here. So password created. And then I'm typing a password again. Next. So now is the 12-word phrase, which is your private key, basically. With if anyone get hold of this 12-word phrase, it basically they have access to your wallet and they can do anything with your crypto. So never but ever show or share your 12-word with no one. Yeah, so I will put my editor here and I'll start writing the words as they come up. So one is brave, the other one is casual. Yeah, I'm taking the So you basically highlight your mouse, put your mouse on top of each one of the number, and then your phrase, your 12 word will start coming one by one. So you make sure you write these 12 words in somewhere safe, and then somewhere probably offline, more to be more precise. And then if you can get hold of a metallic kind of I don't know what you call it. There is a device, a metallic device, where you can store your 12 character. Let me see if I can find the account. I don't remember this name. Basically is a billfold, they call it, or metallic seed storage, where you store your 12 characters for you to store your secret key. Very safe way to keep it. But if you write somewhere on your diary, somewhere safe away from the internet, is the best way to keep your private keys. So let me go back to. So I have my 12, and I just double check that they are correct. I'm just like double check again just to make sure they are on the right order, and then I click next, and then I have to, it will ask me to say this is the last step, which word from the list below belongs to your paper backup. So you look on your paper backup, the one you wrote, and then from this list choose which one from this list which one belongs to it. For me, shift, and I put finish, and it's correct. So I have my password and my secret recovered phrase all done. So like looking in security, I already I don't need it to auto lock yet because I'm not gonna use it. Just a demo. I will put it in pounds because I am in UK. I can use and change the skin. You can change the colors. It's up to you what you do. I prefer to leave it as original. You can change the texture. You can change the skin. I normally leave like that. That's the way mine is. And then you can even put sounds that it plays when you make errors or something like that. So, and for me, that on. You can create several portfolios. So you create several portfolios. I have this portfolio. I can create a new one. I can say, well, keep portfolio, and I can make it yellow. It's up to you how you make it. It's like my savings account, and create a new portfolio. And he's asking me for the password. I put the password on and unlock it. So I have 2 portfolios. Okay, so I can basically transverse between the 2 portfolios. So this is the Exodus. When I click on the wallet, this is the Exodus portfolio, and this is the Wealth Key portfolio. So I can have both portfolios available for me. Going back into the settings, I already did personalized, already did security, already did backup. On devices, you can install, if let's just for instance you want to sync this desktop wallet with your mobile wallet, you can sync here. I don't have a mobile connected to this wallet, that's what I want to do. And then you can also, if you have a cold offline Treasure Bridge wallet, so you basically, if you have a Treasure cold wallet, Treasure is kind of offline wallet that you can store your crypto. If you go to Treasure, you will see what I'm talking about, Treasure.io. So basically it is a wallet that you install your crypto and it's offline. So basically nobody can have access to your crypto. Comparing to the difference between the Exodus and the Treasure is Exodus is a warm wallet. Exodus is on your computer, right? Is running on your desktop. Sometimes you can disconnect your desktop or your computer from the internet. Your Exodus will still work. It will still be on your computer. It's not constantly connected to the internet. It can also work offline. But of course, in order for you to do most of the transactions, you need to be online. And this Treasure. Treasure is completely offline. You only connect to receive coins or to send coins, and then you disconnect again, and it's always offline, and it works really well. Nobody have access. It's not very expensive. You can find it on Amazon, and you can buy directly from these guys. I'm not affiliated to them. I'm just recommending and talking about it based on what I get from Exodus. I also bought my own Treasure because of Exodus. Going back to it, so on my real one, I have it linked to Treasure. So you do here, you click install, and you have to connect your Treasure via USB and do the process. It's very simple, straightforward. And then you have applications. These applications, the first one enable you to invest on future Exodus shares. That is, they about to start a public offering on IPO very soon. They haven't released the date yet. I'm quite sure, but they have a lot of documentation. You can read it through and figure out when. At the moment I don't know exactly the date, but you can find quickly with a Google search when they're about to offer. What I know is that for you to be able to stand as an investor, you need to be verified, and then they use the third-party application website. They do the verification there. It's called Security ID, and then Securitize ID, sorry. And then you have to go through a process, and then you have to submit certain documents like your passport, and you have to do a selfie and other stuff. You have to send a proof of ID, a proof of address, and then you have to do a selfie, and then very probably you'll send your driving license or passport, something like that, depending on what country you're living on. And then when you're verified, then they put a status here and connect. Then they allow you to actually invest on the shares, participate on the IPO. I am already participating on my real wallet, and this is the bit where you will have the opportunity to participate and buy shares when they launch the IPO, which I believe is going to be great. So going back, sorry, come back here again. Going backward, you saw the shares, and then you have the rewards. When you can actually do staking, let me open. So there are a bunch of cryptos here that you can buy. You have Algorand and Cardinal and Commerce and Neo and Ontology and there's Tezos, VeChain. So basically what this is let's suggest you have some Algorand, yeah? And you're not using your Algorand, you want to invest, you want to stake. Let's suggest you have 2,000 Algorands, yeah? 2010 Algorands. And you want just to deposit here and leave it. So basically, for the fact that you have your Algorand here deposit for 12 months, that's how much they will pay you in return for you to have this amount of Algorand deposit in here with this percentage that sometimes fluctuates, sometimes more, sometimes less. So for this amount of Algorand for 12 months, that's how much you get paid in return. Yeah, it's 113 pounds, 0.61 pences. So just for Algorand. For Cardinal, let's suggest I have again 2100 Algorand deposit there. They'll pay for 12 months, they'll pay 7.18%, which makes 129 pounds, 0.68 pences per 12 months. If I got 2100 Cosmos, I'll get paid 2,584 pounds and 4 pences per 12 months. If I got 2100 Cosmos. For 2100 Neo, for 12 months, they pay me 874 pounds, 24 pences, depending, because of course we know that the crypto is going up or can go down. So this amount is not fixed. It does fluctuate depending on how much the crypto is evaluated in fiat, which is be it in pounds, in dollars, in euros, where depending on the currency you're using on your wallet. For Ontology, for 2100, you can make your own calculations. You can come in here and see it. I'm just demonstrating and how much you can make if you stake your crypto. So depending on what crypto you put, I'm using all of them. I have different amounts on different cryptos, so I get different returns. But I just like putting a similar amount just to exemplify how much you get. And then this is how much you get for Ontology. This is how much you get for Tezos, and this is how much you get for VeChain. So it depends on how much the currency itself is worth at the time you get paid, and this is the percentage, which, as I said, it does fluctuate. And I believe for me it's worth it to do stake crypto and get rewards out of it. It's you need to put in mind that this is a sort of investment for a medium to long term, like 12 months, for 24 months. It's like treat it as your savings account, in a sense. So I did the rewards, and I also show you the compounding. So basically the compounding is a way of you to change your Ethereum into DAI, and then you deposit here on his wallet, and for a period of time he will pay you 6.7% of the amount you have here daily. So you'll see something like, but of course you need to have some Ethereum in order for you to start this. So at the moment is say that the minimum balance of is 0.411125 Ethereum is needed to use this app. So before you actually get to deposit into DAI, you need to have this amount minimum of Ethereum on your wallet so this app can work. But believe me, this is also another long-term investment, like 12 months to 24 months, and it really is worth it because every one DAI equals to $1, and you get paid around 6.70% API return on the capital. Let's suggest you put here $100, which worth into 100 DAI. You get paid 6.70% API return on that DAI you deposit here for 6 months or 1 year or 12 months. It depends on how long you want to invest. So let's go back to settings again. I already showed you the apps. So going to assets again is where you enable or disable the assets you want to see on your wallet. So let's suggest I invested on all those currencies, the ones that do stake. If I go back into my wallet, the Exodus one, and I say I want to see all my investments on API rewards, then it organizes that way, so I can actually see my Cosmos, Ontology, Cardano, Algorand, Tesos, Neo, Vision, Compound, DAI, and DAI. And all of them, they pay differently in terms of API rewards return on the amount of capital you invested. So you can see each one of them have a different value in pounds. For instance, the one that worth most in total is the Neo, that is valuated at 35 pounds, 0.33 cents. And then is Cosmos was 1386. And then is Tesos 3.30, and then Ontology 117, and then Algorand, I believe, which is 97 cents, and 72 for DAI. Yeah, you can actually see the potential in terms of growth. So basically, that's what I wanted to show. There are several things, and there are several things you can do with this wallet. You can receive and send different cryptocurrencies. In order for you, for you to find your wallet address, for instance, if you come here, like this is to find your portfolio. Sorry. And then if you want to find a wallet address, click on wallet, search for your, let's see, Bitcoin's already clicked. So you just click and receive, and it will show you this wallet address is the SegWit protocol, is the new one. For the old one, you just click here, and then you get the old protocol that you copy, or just scan the QR code, or you can share via email. Then you can actually click also, you can click here to validate to see if your wallet is validated by the blockchain before you actually use or give to someone to send you capital. Again, if you want to do another crypto, let's just, you want to send or receive Ripple, you just come here and then put XRP, you click on Ripple, click on receive, get the address, copy, just click here and it's copy right away, and you send to whoever. Let's come here and paste, and you can send to whoever. Again, same thing applies to any crypto. It's very simple to use. If you want to find your Ethereum, you click on it, click on receive, and there you go. Your wallet address comes straight away. Oh, there is another feature I really like, is about here on the wallet. If you click on this price chart, you're able to see how the currency is performing on the market in terms of price, the price variation through the day. You can go in and see how it varies through the day. Can you see it? You can see it how it varies through the week and the price fluctuation. You can get for the month, for 1 month, for 3 months, for 6 months, for a year. That's amazing. The other feature I really love is a description. Some cryptos, they do have more stuff. Some just have real little stuff. And you click on these three dots here in the corner, you can go straight into Ethereum website for the founder, and then get more information if you need to read about. You can go straight into Reddit crypto Ethereum page. You can go and follow Twitter Ethereum account. Some of them have videos, but for some reason it doesn't have. Let's check one of them. Let me see Cardano. Okay, Cardano again. You can. That's the wallet. Cardano wallet is quite big. This is the newer. I think this is the new protocol. Yeah, this is the new protocol, very similar to Segwit, and this is the old one. For Cardano wallet address. Again, the price chart for the currency performance price through the day, the week, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, a year, and you also have description for. Oh yeah, here you have more the website for Cardano, then the Reddit account, the Twitter account, and then you can also go on Telegram. But one thing that I will encourage to do is, if you look on this same thing on mobile normally comes with the video embedded on a desktop. For some reason it doesn't. Oh yeah, there is another thing here. You can, let's suggest you have Cardano or any other crypto wallet somewhere else. You can export the address. Oh yeah, you can export this address somewhere to another wallet. If you have another wallet like Jax, for instance, if you have a Jax wallet somewhere else, you can export your address to there and then use it there. Your crypto will go. So basically, your private keys will go to another wallet provider, or you can export. I believe it's also compatible with Binance. You can also do with the Binance. I'm not 100% sure. I'm just presuming. I will test and see if it works with Binance anyway in the future. You can also export transactions. You can see about earning rewards for the staking, as I mentioned. When you do transactions and the transactions is taking time to show up here, you can do refresh blockchain and it will show you the latest price and the latest transactions you did on this wallet, and it will show here there. With the time as you start buying and selling crypto and then storing crypto here, getting crypto here, you'll start populating here, and depending on what crypto you have it. This is to show your private key that you should never show on the public. For public is only for you, so never actually publish these with a third party or someone looking on your computers. This to move funds from one wallet to the next. I haven't explored, so let me just click and see what this says. Oh, okay. So basically, it's for you. If you have your Cardano somewhere else and you want to move here without sending from one wallet to the next, you can basically get your private key from that place into here, and then say move funds, and your funds will come from that wallet straight into Exodus, and you can define which portfolio will receive it. This is amazing. I just love Exodus. So basically, guys, give it a go, download it, use it. You're just gonna love it as I do. This is another feature here. You can basically filter based on certain aspects. You can, if you have already balance, if you put it on a market cap, you show through your market cap. You put it by your favorites. Through alphabet, API rewards. It just depends. There's so much things that this thing allow you to do. Just amazing. Yeah, I think that's it. I think I I always remember something new to show. Yes, every time you execute a new transaction, every time you do anything with this wallet, it will show here on history. At the moment, there is nothing show because as you've been following me, I just doing the demo. This is just an empty wallet. There's nothing here. I haven't stored any coin. I will not store because I'll delete this wallet after I complete this demo. If you go through any problem whatsoever while using this, you can find the support on this icon. If you click here, you will find lots of help. There's a lot of guides here, how you do this, how you do several things with this wallet. It's like video tutorials, and then there's the FAQ questions that people tend to ask. Loads of answers already provided there, loads of links, and then there's also the help desk that goes into a website. I already opened. I clicked through it 3 times. That's why it's taking a while to open. Come on. No, that's not what I want anyway. Yeah, I clicked 3 times. See if you open this time. I was opening. It was opening AWS for some reason. So it comes. My internet is a bit slow. It comes a support where you can either read a little bit more and find ways to resolve your problem, or you can contact them via web chat. You put your details there, and they will answer you. And this is a lot of help. You're never gonna be kind of left out. You just can talk with the human being, not just a robot. You can talk with the human being. I already used this support, and they're just amazing. So you also can find them on Twitter, just through the wallet. You can send an email support, a support email. You open your email provider, and you can see whether when you want to check if Exodus is connected, you can check the Exodus status. It shows if there's any downtime or if the application is work as it's supposed. How is the performance? How is the network on overall? My network is just a little bit slow because I am recording and doing other stuff as well. I'm live streaming something else, and that's why it's quite slow. Yeah, so you can see the on status it shows few networks that are having issues. But not Exodus, EOS, Nano. It shows you all the networks that it does support, and then if anything is not operating as expected, it normally comes here saying that that network is not working as expecting, and for that reason or for that reason, and then you know. So that's it. This time definitely that's it. I showed most of what I know, and of course, if you guys have questions and suggestions or things that you want me to show still on this wallet, hit me on the comments on my channel, or leave suggestions for future tutorials on other stuff that you want or curious to talk about. And now just let me to say thank you for watching me. Thank you to be in this channel. I will leave it now. I was just opening an email. Yeah. Yeah, just say thank you for watching, and I'm looking forward for you see you guys on the next video. Just while you're here, please subscribe and click the like button, suggest, leave your comments, your feedback, what you guys think about this, was it helpful, and what you want to see in the future. All your comments are welcome, and I humble appreciate that. And then, as again, subscribe, leave your like. Thank you very much. Good night.